Cześć, witam, cześć, dzień dobry, dobry wieczór. Hi everyone, and welcome to our very small language school podcast. We are based here in the northern Poland, and you can also learn Polish with us online in our VIP Polish course every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 7 p.m. Polish time. So it's going to be very cold this week. And in our VIP Polish course, we will talk about the weather. We will practice also the future tense będzie it's going to be. And we will review the days of the week. The translation of the examples are below in the description. So let's go. Poniedziałek, Monday. W poniedziałek będzie bardzo zimno. W poniedziałek będzie bardzo zimno. Wtorek, Tuesday. We wtorek będzie zimniej. We wtorek będzie zimniej. A środa, Wednesday. W środę będzie padać śnieg. W środę będzie padać śnieg i w środę będzie też zimno. A czwartek, Thursday. W czwartek będzie też zimno. -5 stopni. Piątek, Friday. Piątek. W piątek będzie bardzo zimno. Sobota. W sobotę też będzie zimno. Niedziela. Zgadnij. W niedzielę będzie zimno. Tak, będzie zimno. Anyway, we are very excited about our course beginning on the 5th of January here in our school in the north of Poland. We start with our basic Polish course for beginners, a 2-week intensive course. So we still have some places available. You're welcome to join our school in our small town or join our VIP Polish course and test it for 7 days. See you on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday at 7 p.m. Polish course. The more info is in the description below. Thank you. Dziękuję. Na razie. Cześć. Pa, pa.